Right. According to a research, there are 10% of people who are achieving a high degree of success. Not a success, a high degree of success with comparison to a 90%. And the reason why they are so much successful is because of that excitement. The excitement, and that excitement gives them this position. A person working in a multinational company, a very good job, a very good position. He has a very good salary package, a great salary package he had. Life is good, life is stable and settled. But all of a sudden, he decided to quit the job and want to become a public speaker. Now, for his family members, this was a shocking news. What happens to this guy? Why he want to play with his career? When everything is settled, when everything is fine, they explain him, look, you are in a very good company, with a very good job you have. Your profile is good. You are financially strong. How can you think about this? How can you think without your job? In today's world, where each and every step we require a financial success, we require financially strong. So, what can you do? Think about it. You should have to pay rents, you should have to pay bills. You are habitual for a particular lifestyle from a time being. How you maintain all that? What you do for that? You have a very settled life. Why you want to sabotage your career? Why you want to play with your career? You have a settled life. This guy replies, things are settled. You are saying, right, things are settled outside, but they are not settled inside. I want to settle them from inside. They are not settled inside. And this is the way, this is the word by which I want to settle it down. I want to settle it from my inside. I want to do this. This is because I want to become a public speaker because this is my dream. Something this will give me a purpose of my life. Standing in front of people and giving a speech, that will make sense for me. So I want to do this. One of his friend, his close friend to him, he says that, look, actually I know you, I am your very best friend, and I know you from your childhood. I know that you have something, that you are very shy, and you are very introverted person. Forget about public speaking. You cannot even talk to 2 or 3 people. Think about it. Have you talked to? I have never seen you to talk. You have so much difficulty. You want to avoid. No, I don't want to give any suggestion to anything. So this is your style. I will not digest that thing, and that is quite amazed for me that you are saying that you want to become public speaker and you want to address a crowd. How this is possible? It will not make any sense for me. Can you understand to me that thing? This person say, I know I am not good in public speaking. I am afraid with people. I know that I have never ever speak. But one thing, when the thought of becoming public speaking, the thought of speaking in front of crowd came in my mind, the moment that feeling, the excitement of my whole body, my single arteries and veins from my brain to my leg, the excitement is great. I will not explain that one. What is that particular excitement I have? Oh, I want to go to the stage and address the person, or people. I want to live that. I want to live that moment. I want that. Anyhow, I have to go there. When I imagine that thing, that I am in front of people and I am addressing people, and that is the moment when I am feeling satisfied. That is something excited me. That excitement cannot make me stable. That will pull towards me. Go. Anyhow you go, you go, or you have to do that. I won't do that. Friends, this person which is standing in front of you is the same guy. I have a lot of upgrade. I am not thinking about that. The persons, my relatives and my friends, even they came today, they are amazed that I am speaking. Oh, this guy is that guy speaking. And friend, I want to tell you one thing. I am damn sure about that. If I can talk, and if I can do this, everyone else in this world can do whatever he wants, whatever he is so excited for. If you are excited for you, believe me, excitement is the thing which gives you unbelievable success and beyond expectations. You become average person, always, no matter. From your death, you become average person. If you are not excited for your work, if you are not excited about whatever you are doing, I will say to him, I don't want to die before I die. I don't want to die before I die. I want to live after my death. I want to live after my death. I want to live with people. I want to live with people in their memories. I want to become honest. I want to talk to people. I want to say to them, why you are not? I can do this. Everyone else can do that. Only that one thing is excitement. The two E's which can change my life completely. The one E is experience and the second one is excitement. Friends, always open for experience, because you don't know which experience can change your life entirely. And that excitement will never make you sit down. That excitement can you get up